One cold night, I realized my house had no idea how to breathe. In Auburn and Colfax, HVAC is more than machines. It's a lifeline that keeps us warm and cool. I learned that heating, ventilation, and air conditioning work together in a loop. The thermostat calls, the furnace or heat pump warms, the blower pushes air through ducts, and the system pulls air while exhausting stale. When the furnace sputtered and the blower died, I knew I needed an eye. That's when I discovered Worx Heating and Cooling, contractor feels neighbor. Understanding the parts helps you spot the problem before it spirals. Ask, listen, keep your home breathing.